shook the mountain, fire fell from the sky. Smoke rose like a prayer there on Mount Sinai. The power of His presence echoed in the air. Embers and ashes falling everywhere. The sound of His voice thundered so loud, every knee bent, every head was bowed, and we cried, Kadosh, Kadosh, Kadosh. There is none like you, Baruch Hu. We cried, Kadosh, Kadosh. There is none like you, Baruch Hu. From a cloud of fire and smoke, the mountain trembled when He spoke. His majesty revealed on the first Shavuot, and we cried, Kadosh, Kadosh, Kadosh. There is none like you, Baruch Hu. We cried, Kadosh. There is none like you, Baruch Hu. The sound of His voice thundered so loud, every knee bent, every head bowed. Fire on the mountain, lightning in the sky, entering into covenant